The linkage between failure mode and effects analysis and other quality tools. Process flow diagrams, PFD. Before conducting a failure mode and effects analysis, a process flow diagram can be used to map out the entire process. This visualization helps to identify the steps, inputs, and outputs, which can then be further analyzed in the failure mode and effects analysis for potential failure modes. Control plan. After identifying potential failure modes through failure mode and effects analysis, a control plan can be developed to list all the control points, inspections, and monitoring processes to ensure that the process runs as expected. Pareto analysis. Pareto analysis or Pareto charts can be used to prioritize the most significant issues identified in a failure mode and effect analysis. It visually depicts which failure modes have the highest occurrence, severity, or detection scores, and therefore require immediate attention. Root cause analysis, RCA. Now, if a failure mode and effects analysis identifies potential failure modes, root cause analysis can be used to dig deeper into the primary causes of these failure modes, of these failures. Now, tools like the 5 whys and the fishbone diagram can be used for this deeper analysis. Statistical process control, SPC. Statistical process control uses statistical methods to monitor and control a process. If a process variation is identified through failure mode and effects analysis as being risky, SPC charts can be used to monitor that particular metric. Design of experiments, DOE. Design of experiments is a systematic way to determine the relationship between factors affecting a process and the outputs of that process. Now, if a failure mode and effects analysis identifies a potential failure mode linked to multiple variables, design of experiments, DOE, can be used to understand how these variables interact and which combination might lead to the failure. Value stream mapping. Value stream mapping provides a visual representation of all the steps in a process, showing how value is added during the production flow. Integrating failure mode and effects analysis with value stream mapping ensures that potential failure modes are analyzed in the context of the entire value stream.